Hey guys, welcome back. What's up? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So today, I have an unboxing. Just a quick little BOXYCHARM unboxing. I've had it for a few days and I contemplated whether unboxing it or not. You'll see. BOXYCHARM is $25 a month, the base box, the normal box. They do have other ones, but that doesn't matter. Real quick before we get started, you know I fried off my hair. I have bangs now. They're pushed back, but I wanted, everyone uses Olaplex when their hair is fucked up. So I went on Sephora like a week ago, and it said it was my birthday month, which I forgot about. My birthday's in like 8 days. It's on April 23rd. And so I was able to get my birthday gift, and I got an Olaplex No. 5 conditioner, but I got the NARS Laguna bronzer and lip balm set. So I got my little birthday gift. But let's get into the BOXYCHARM. Like I said, I contemplated whether opening it on camera or not because it's quite boring, but we'll just do it anyway. So the theme is sweet treats. Love the pastel. These are my favorite colors. These are the colors I like my hair, not this dark. So what I chose was the Earth Harbor Naturals Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampule. It's a serum. Give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with this harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil, grapeseed oil, neem seed extract, soothe, revealing dewy luminance. It is $32. So it looks like this. Very pretty. Love the blue box. So that's what I chose because they didn't really have a lot of good options. But it's plant-based, vegan, fair trade, sustainable, woman-owned, no soy added, blah, blah, blah. Everything. Okay, and then the next thing I got is the Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow in bronze, and it is $21. And I got this in a we got this same exact one literally like last year, a few months ago, not that long ago, like towards the middle of last year. I'm putting this into a giveaway. Still has the plastic on it. I have a Natasha Denona one, so that's going into a giveaway. The next thing I got is the Be a Bombshell Cosmetics Lip Gloss. A lip gloss formula that offers long-lasting color and high shine. $14. And I'm guessing in the shade Saucy. I haven't opened this yet. It is a sparkly. It has pink and silver sparkles in it, and it's red. This is going into a giveaway. It looks really... I'm gonna open it real quick because... Ew. Do you see that? Watch. If I touch this, that shouldn't be on the outside like that. I don't know if I feel comfortable giving this away. Like, that should not look like that unless it's been opened before. Unless it's just a really messy gloss. I know I don't want it. I would never wear a shade, well, not a gloss like that color. So then the next thing I got, another eye product. This is the Mally Beauty Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. $25. These shadow sticks are the queens of multitasking. Stay looking fierce from the minute you put them on until it's your primer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and brush all in one. Sculpt and line eyes, easy blend, sheer wash of color, layer for more intensity, smudgy liner, smoldering smoky eye. Super easy to go from day to night. So, looks like this. It has no plastic on it. It's just, what shade is this? Timeless Taupe. I really like the shade. I might use it because I really like the shade. Maybe I'll try it as a primer. Or that'd be nice just for work. Just a single little, put a little bit in the crease and blend it out and contour the eye. Almost looks like I could use it as a face contour. It's like a nice taupey gray brown, so it gives a natural shadow. I'll use it. And then the very last thing, which I have not opened, but I saw the packaging and I'm very upset. So my profile says I want adventurous, wild things. So you know there's Natasha Denona palettes, obviously. I think the one everyone you see in PR getting is called the Jubilee. It has the dark, deep teal, the yellow, the pink, and the green and stuff. Well, I got the Ayana palette. I did declutter the last Natasha Denona palette we got a few months ago, the Peak palette. I decluttered that. Just didn't want it. This is the Ayana eyeshadow palette. Special edition palette created exclusively for BOXYCHARM, featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool tone shades in a range of muted browns and a touch of sparkling metal green tourmaline. Inspired by the Japanese meaning of Aya, meaning color and design, combined with Na, meaning elegant, graceful, and delicate. It's the perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated classic as well as evening super glam finish. Formulated with Natasha suitable for every skin tone. $48. They're usually $50, or maybe they usually are $48. But it's just boring. Like, this looks just like the Thumper palette I got from ColourPop. It's just boring. The green is pretty, but and that is everything that came in my BOXYCHARM. I really, really wish I would have gotten the Jubilee palette. I would never pay for it myself, but I would have loved to get it in the BOXYCHARM, you know? But it's whatever. It's just disappointing after so many months. Like, the past 3 months of BOXYCHARM have been amazing. Like they used to be. Now it's back to this boring shit. But let's see the value. So I'm only keeping 3 things.
What do you want to search for?
What is 48 plus 32 plus 25 plus 21 plus 14?
48 plus 32 plus
$140. 140. It's not bad, but it goes by the value of what you feel you got, what you're going to use and stuff. So I would never pay for this on my own. So, and I'm not too excited to get it. It's just boring. It's boring, you know? So, yeah. I would pick this up at TJ Maxx for like $1. And I do love serum, so this is $32. I guess it covers the box. I don't know. It's just boring. Let me know down below what you think of these items. If you think I'm being a brat. I don't think I am, because the past few boxes have been so good. I mean, all these palettes and fun stuff. What annoys me the most is I saw people getting the Dragon Beauty lavender color corrector. I would have loved that. The Queen QVE mascara and all these other, the Jubilee palette. Why didn't my box have that stuff in it? But whatever. I'm not being very nice, but they're supposed to make you happy. They're supposed to go by your profile. My profile does not say cool toned neutrals at all. Okay, I am done ranting. That is all I have for you today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!